again for our second episode
of the Peugeot 102.
The Peugeot 102 moped. Last episode we make the bike run.
But the clutch won't work. It wouldn't slip.
No, the clutch is stuck in his basket.
Yeah.
We looked online and looked at some drawings of the bike, and I think we put it back
wrong.
Yeah.
How do you say that? Right.
How do you make the right parts in the right order?
Yeah, in the right order, but we had some parts left and...
Yeah, we had two drawings. We had one drawing from the internet, we just googled it, and we think that drawing is not right. We now have an original manual, and in the manual there are more parts, so we're gonna take a look at the bike and
look what's wrong.
Dismantle the clutch.
Again?
Look everything, again. And let's see if the clutch will work today, and we can drive it a little bit longer. We also have to do the carb cleaning the carb.
Yeah.
And the brakes are okay-ish, but could be better. So let's see where we're going today. Now, let's start to work.
Yeah.
Okay. The clutch, will you take the clutch off?
Yeah.
I will take a look at the drawing. Okay, here's the original manual that we found. Ooh. That's it. Peugeot 102. Let's go back to the drawing of the clutch. I think we forgot washer 4 and again 11. There's this one. I think that's not the way to do it. No.
No?
You're gonna ruin the belt.
No. It won't.
Okay, let's take the clutch apart. I hold the rear brake.
And...
Okay. Oh. That was easy.
Yeah. And now don't make the same mistake again and rip the whole clutch apart.
Let's see if it will... You have to take the belt off first. Is this 10 or 11?
I think it was 11.
I think it was 11 too. Let's see. Yeah. Yes. Moving the engine back. Okay. Now we can take the belt off. Kijk. You see it?
Just like that, the belt comes off.
Belt off. Now we can take the clutch off. Duuk, can you do it?
Yep.
I think it's coming off in one piece. Okay. Yeah. Let's put it on the workbench.
So.
Do you have all the bolts and all the washers and... Okay.
Here they are.
Now, we're gonna take the clutch apart and see if we got all the components.
Yeah. I think we need to take it like this.
Okay. Well, let's try.
Carefully. Yeah. First one.
washer.
Little washer.
I think this one.
Oh yeah.
Clutch spring.
I can take. Yeah.
A little help.
This thing.
No, I think you can do it this way. Oh!
Oh no!
Oh! Okay. Clutch. With the balls. Another plate. And this is the main clutch. The question is...
Wait. What?
These are the...
Aren't they supposed to be that stuff around here?
Yeah, if the clutch is spinning very hard, these are the clutch of the these shoes go to the outside.
Oh, and
clutch,
it breaks.
And they no, it doesn't break. It is not a brake. It's a clutch.
Oh, yeah.
Then it goes to the outside of this drum. So this is spinning like that, and it as the engine revs get higher, they will expand. They go to the outside and they rub here against, and then the bike is going to drive. This part of the there's a first clutch and a secondary clutch, like a 2-speed.
Yeah.
We got it. Every part is now. This is a nylon washer, nut, ring, nylon washer, clutch, another nylon washer, another ring, clutch basket with some balls, clutch spring, another washer, clutch plate. This is the way it must go together. Exactly like hoppakee. That's the way.
So,
Now, let's put it together and
hope it works.
hope it works, yeah. Okay, we have the right way to put it together now. Let's see. We have to put everything in the right. Can we just put it together here on the workbench or on the bike? I think this ring is going on the bike.
I think it's better that we put it together on the bike. And then look at the...
No, I think it's better to do it here because then we can hold it together.
Oh yeah. And then we can put it on.
Yeah. This one here.
Right there.
Okay. Washer.
Another washer.
The clutch plate. Clutch
Like
plate.
that. And then that one.
This is the way it should go together, I think.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Now it should fit.
If I can hold it like this.
Small one.
The small one. And a light. Oh. Look.
Yeah.
Okay.
And put it together fast before it's
no hurries, no hurries. It won't come flying off.
Yeah, not flying.
I hope so. Now do you see? Now it's stuck.
Oh, yeah.
But let me explain this to you.
Yeah.
If you think it's going good together, right together, and everything is loose, you probably shouldn't do it. You just take it apart, look again. If it's necessary, do it 2 or 4 times. The bridge is coming down.
Yeah.
The motorcycle lift is not a bridge. In Holland we call it a brug. A brug means also is bridge, but
Yeah.
it's a lift.
Yeah. It should be tight enough.
I hope it's slipping now. Ah, look,
Yeah.
the clutch is slipping.
Nice. I think we forgot the washers because the washers.
You mean last time?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's on.
Belt is on. We're gonna put the engine forward, and you're gonna tighten the bolts.
Yeah. Just set it alright or
Righty tighty.
lefty loosey. The pedals are in the way. So. And the cable. So.
Okay, now
Try to start
I think we're going to start it. Let's put the tools on the workbench.
Good.
Here, you have the socket.
Or yeah.
Gas is on. We've got, which one was choke? This
Yes,
one is choke.
this one's choke.
Maybe it's not necessary. Yeah, this is going to spin, huh?
Yeah.
But when I put on the rear brake, the engine should be.
Yeah. It should be stopped. Right. It should be not doing as.
The engine should be running,
And
but
if-
the rear wheel must be still.
Yeah. Not just as last time it goes.
Ooh. It sounds good. Let's try it. Oh,
No.
yeah.
The belt is slipping.
No, it doesn't matter. Oh.
The choke needs to be.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. It's on.
The clutch is slipping.
Nice.
And it's a little bit smoky.
All bent.
What are you doing?
Waving the smoke away.
Yeah.
Stinks.
Shall we take it outside and
Yeah.
take it for a test? Okay, let's do that. It's working.
Yeah.
Take it for a small spin.
Ah.
I think,
It has a bit hard time.
yeah, it still has a little of a hard time stopping, but at least the clutch is slipping.
Yeah.
And we gotta pull the carb. So if you pull the carb, I am gonna take a look at the clutch and see if I can fine tune it.
Yeah.
It's a little bit sticky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And just like that, it's back in the shape.
Okay, the clutch is definitely right together, but
It has a hard time slipping.
I think I can just adjust it a little bit more. So I'm gonna do that, and Duuk is gonna take off the carb, but because it definitely needs a clean. So Let's begin.
Ah.
Okay, Duuk has removed the carb. Now let's clean it. It's pretty sticky on the inside. Means that there's a lot of evaporated gas. But it looks great overall. Just a little dirty, I think. But let's see. Remove the air filter. Oh. Okay. Remove the screw. I think this should come apart, so we can clean the filter. Or it's just, look. We don't have to take it apart. We can just clean this. Can you get the air, Duuk? Look. Oh. Looks alright. Let's take the carb apart. Oh, it was almost in, so you have to turn this in to make it idle higher, but it was almost turned in all the way, so that should not be. I think that's the main jet. Let's see if this is the right. Yeah. There's some dirt in it. Let's take this off. This is the float. It's pretty clean, but there is some debris in the carb. I hope you can see this. Maybe I should shine a light on it. It's not too bad, but there is some water in it. Okay, let's take this apart. There's a filter. There's some debris in it. It's a nice touch. Just there's a small filter in the... There's some debris in it, but... Oh, not bad. Okay. We have taken it all apart. It's a really simple carb. We are going to clean it and then put it back together. And put it back on the bike. Okay, let's put it back together. This is the gas. This should be in here. Look, there's a little
thing.
This sticks out.
A little piece of metal.
Oh, still going still a little bit. Should be smoother.
Maybe because there was no fuel.
Let's see.
Oh, it looked like it went pretty easy. Oh yeah.
Going just fine, but
in and out went just a little bit harder.
okay. So should we first put it on the bike?
Yeah. And then all the accessories.
Is this the right way?
It went like this.
Yeah, I know, but we have to connect these wires. Okay.
Like that. It's over there on the bench. This thing.
Okay.
But
We should switch side and I shall have a look. It's always a problem with all the wires, with old cables. Going through there. Oh, this is
a little hole.
This is a challenge.
Is it in?
Yeah, but can I have the chair, Duuk?
Yes, you can have the chair.
Thank you.
Oh.
Can you grab my phone?
Phone. Here's your phone.
Okay. And I can show the people what we are messing with. Look, the cable is going through here. There is the cable. And this little thing is going on there and you have to tidy it up and then it's gonna work the lever. Yeah, that's a lever. Okay. Let's try to connect this.
Need help?
You can push against this lever. Be careful not to break anything.
Put the screw back in.
What was it? What was the size of this? It's not an 8. Like
You're
7.
holding it?
Huh?
That's a 6.
Yeah, that's it. Can you hold the lever again?
Yeah.
My hands are getting. Loose? Is it all the way back?
I don't know.
I think so.
Yeah.
Let's see if it works. Oh, the other side. Can you operate it? Huh? Okay. Oh, wait. Not. I have not tightened it fully yet. So.
Yeah, it's all the way back. Yeah, it works.
Okay.
One. Should I put the gas thingy on?
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
Like
now
that?
put on the cable. No, just put hands. It's just a
very-
little plastic part,
Yeah,
so.
it's very tight.
Yeah, I know.
Even you can't do that. My hands are too big.
No, my hands are small.
No.
Let me see. You film it.
That looks good.
A little bit yellow.
Yeah.
And yellow gas is normally, mostly old gas. We have some new gas.
Stop leaking.
We have to put
Nuts.
some mixture. We have to put oil
Oh.
in the gas for lubrication. It's a 2-stroke,
Oh, yeah.
so let's do that. Let's tighten the belt because the engine is still loose, and put some new fuel in it and try again. Oh,
Don't leak.
yeah.
Oh, the fuel.
The fuel tap is still on.
Oh. Oh no. Careful that it doesn't overflow.
It's not so
Look.
much I put into it. Okay.
That was not quite smart. Because we put the fuel tap off.
Okay. I think that is the third try
Yeah.
for the clutch.
Please do it.
Oh,
Don't fail again.
maybe.
Don't be again a failure.
Take the tools off the workbench.
Yeah.
On the other side. Clean off the dash
And
which
this
filled. I will put it back together later.
Yeah.
No.
It's important.
Yeah, it's important, but it's just a cap.
But
And we're missing some rubbers to hold it on.
no.
They are gone. I don't know where they went or if they were on there,
I
but
don't-
they're gone now.
Oh, there is something broken too. There is just a piece of metal bent.
I see that. Well, it was working, so
Yeah, no problems. So it should be staying like that. Should I?
It's not leaking, so
No.
remove every tool from the workbench.
They are removed. And now? Oh, there was some fuel on the chain.
Take it off.
So safe. So, let's clean again.
I should open the door a little bit. Let's try this again.
So. Dat klinkt niet goed. Hoppa.
I think
That doesn't sound good. It sounds like a train.
I don't know why he's doing that, but okay.
Why does it sound like a train?
Loosen the bolts.
Again.
Again.
But what?
I think there's a ring here in here that just was lined up. Okay.
So.
Okay, finally. It was a little bit of a struggle, but it's alright. Let's try it again. Does it work?
It does work.
Okay. Back again.
Yeah.
It is driving.
Yeah.
The clutch is
Still having problems and
I
hard time.
I think it's the springs in the clutch that are. There is also one leaf of the spring broken.
Yeah.
I tried to bend it back a little bit and I broke it off, so probably the spring is old.
It was irritated.
Yeah. But it's on the right way now.
Yeah.
But I still think we should order some new parts for it. At least we know now that it works.
Yeah.
And we'll
Keep it like that.
put some new parts in it, and then it's definitely gonna work okay. But I think the new spring must be going in there.
Yeah.
And maybe the basket that we welded, we could put a new one in.
I think that one is.
It's not a problem, huh?
No, that's not a. Yeah, it's hot. Or not?
Yeah, no. It's not totally good now.
Yeah, but it's not horrible.
It's no, that's true. The car is clean now. It's going like 30 kilometers an hour. That's a little bit slow. It could go 45, but in Holland, you have something like a moped in two categories. One you can drive without a helmet. Back in the days when it was in the early 70s, And you have then an orange plate. The orange plate goes 35 kilometers an hour, and we have a yellow plate. You go 45 kilometers an hour. This one has a yellow plate, but it's going
30.
Yeah, it's going 30.
But maybe the piston end is just.
Yeah, of adjusting the ignition.
Yeah.
Also, the brake is not. No, I'm not happy with that. We still have to take it apart, but
it's braking, luckily. But it took 10 meters before I stopped when I was going 30.
Yeah. So this must be addressed. So still brake, clutch, but the carb is okay and it must go faster. So
yeah, faster. Put a turbo on it.
Put a turbo on it. I think it's not gonna work.
Turbocharger.
No turbos.
Just above this, just a massive turbo for the carburetor.
Now I know now what the jet is like. The jet is like 240.
Yeah.
It says. I don't know what. It's 240 seems a little bit large for a moped, but let's find out what the sizes are.
It has not running problem.
No, it is not. It's running fine. So, but maybe I can find out if it's a moped that goes 35 or 45.
Yeah.
So, a little bit of homework for the next episode.
Yeah. Or go 102.
102. Maybe downhill.
Not even.
Downhill?
On the Mount Everest.
When you're chased by a crocodile. Something like that.
On the Mount Everest.
Okay. Fun. We had a fun day, so I hope you liked it, and
see you next time.
See you next time.